Email verification failed on CMC Markets Fix. If you're trying to sign up for CMC Markets and your email verification isn't working, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong, but the issue usually isn't with CMC Markets itself, it's often a small problem with your email or device. Start by checking the email address you entered. Even a tiny typo, an extra space, or a missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Accuracy here is crucial. Next, check all folders in your email account, including spam, junk, and promotions. Automated emails from CMC Markets can be filtered incorrectly, especially by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you locate the email, click the verification link immediately, as it often expires after a short period. If the email still hasn't arrived, request a new verification link from the CMC Markets website. Resending the email usually fixes the problem for most users. Browser or device issues can also interfere with verification. Clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or use the CMC Markets mobile app to ensure proper delivery. Some email providers block automated messages, so if the problem persists, consider using a different email address, ideally Gmail or Outlook, which tend to handle verification emails more reliably. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact CMC Markets support. Explain that your email verification failed despite trying all the steps above. Support can manually verify your account, letting you start trading without delay. Remember, double-check your email, inspect all folders, resend the link if needed, try a different browser or device, and contact support if necessary. Following these steps usually resolves email verification issues quickly, giving you access to CMC Markets right away.